time will tell the poor man
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Oh yeah, every night and day, they all have to go. Oh my sister, cry no more.
All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true. Daydream. All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
Well, I've been on top of Mount Zion, looking up to Jah to send down God and rain. Oh, the stars will be my guide. Oh, the sun will be my hope. As long as there is life, I know Jah will let me down. Hey. All I can see, hey, hey, hey. I've been walking all night and day, trying to find some bread and butter. Hey, time will tell the poor man is ill. Still ever want a nice and a better place to live. They want to make it real, but I can never kill every night and day. They all have to do it.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Oh Lord, oh yeah, what's up?
All I can see. Sometimes I try.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
You see me that to look up and show that so obey me. You see me touching us so gonna bend us so still see me. Nana friend me sempre bra. Yen confie me go mame na me nyamu mwati. Well I've been looking and searching and I have found you. There was nothing in this world and nothing that stopped me from loving you. But the only thing in this world that stopped me from loving you is when you cheat on me, is when you betray me, and you break my heart. Alright,
Cecilia, Emiliana, Monica, who am I fair? Let's see me see Dina China. Follow me, me go. Follow me, me go. Ele só me na shaukawa, who am I fair? Let's see me see Dina China. Follow me, me go. Follow me, me go. Okay. Ele só me na shaukawa.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Okambro futi china no ye risi. Nisi mujira smile. siri. Open what's a minute, no chili chili. Hey, me baby, me brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me chatoli, yeah. Each and every day, me happy day, yeah. My own. That time of the chase, I'm there, no money there. My own. See my hot back, push it up, I dey grind for my kenge. My own. Like the air, I dey feel am for everywhere I dey. My own. See the money, baby, come chop am for me. And every day, what's up in the air? What's up in the air? Although my lonely plan, I bet chat to me, yeah. Chat to me, girl, yeah. Wait time make I carry you. Champagne and I was the Malibu, yeah. And the dinner I eat it just for two. Me dog now would do me tea, baby, yeah.
The morning show,
My
have a
own.
blessed
That
day.
time of the chase, I'm there, no money there. My own. See my heart back, push it up, I dey grind for my king. My own. Like the air, I dey feel am for everywhere I dey. My own. See the money, baby, come chop am for me. Little sunny, sissy, kitty, kitty. Okay, bro, footy clean, I know you're rissy. Nisi mujira smile, siri. Open what's a minute, no chili chili. Hey, me baby, ni brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me chatoli, yeah. Each and every day, me happy day, yeah. My own. That time of the chase, I'm there, no money there. My own. See my hot back, push it up, I dey grind for my king, yeah. My own. Like the air, I dey feel am for everywhere I dey. My own. See the money, baby, come chop am for me, oh. High grade. High grade.
The morning show, have a blessed day. The morning show, have a blessed day.
P on the mix. P on the mix.
The morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Right, so 93.3 FM. Abusia, aren't you feeling the Christmas vibes already? Oh, my bass. I love it. I love these days. Super excited about today. 93.3 FM. First, good morning. I hope you all doing good. And of course, I know you do. Right, so it's exactly 38 minutes just after 10. And you're still in tune to 93.3 FM. Of course, the biggest frequency in these environs. And hey, I'm seated. I hope you know about that already. So my name is Governor Costi. You can call me Jabru's Money or Brandon Part, the perfect gentleman. But my government name still remains Janime Champon Boat and Casmos. And I've been doing this since the 80s. Such a beautiful day it is. It's a Thursday morning. And you're up and awake. So super grateful that we're here this morning. A quick shout going out to Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu Kobe K, and Nato Pan the first, and Mr. Billy. So we've taken over your radio from now to 12 p.m. It's all about good music and lots of what else? In fact, we're going to educate you this morning as well. Alright, so today you're going to pardon us because my councillor's column will be next week. We are sorry for any inconvenience caused, yeah? But hey, We are still live on 93.3 FM. This is what we do best. In the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak ever F1, if you speak Brekumi Poiteme, if you speak Awazaya Day, if you speak Frafralawone, if you speak Grushi Kwete, if you speak Izmakode, if you speak Fanti, my pacha won't today. If you speak Swahili, habari yako. Abusia, mwa baka shebiel. At about 93.3 FM, Adwuma, and I was so with you. Your friend coming Costi. Maybe I will be a mwa kwaba. See. Right, so first day of December, and I have this question I want to ask everyone. I beg, okay, not everyone though, but in Kofobi. Charlie, so what happened to the susu? You promised yourself, from January to December, over to 2021. You promised yourself that you see 2022 over to susu from January to December. I beg, today is December, so half out the susu. What's even to susu that I said? Die there, and one eye, I'm asking for a friend. I see people care too much in this country. And in fact, I'm part of those that care in this country. And I really want to ask a humble question. Very humble question. What happened to that susu? Susu now casa obetono. And then December. Susu now go to say. Oh my days. Alright, so big shout out to Brad David, to Apasco, Raouf MP3, to Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, about Tampa, Jonathan, Obofo Michael, to Kwakubo Nash, Tilapia, to Amos, to Kenneth, Swagger, and all the taxi drivers I know in town. Baluso boy. I pay good morning. Shabo says he can't pay the day. What the house is he can't pay the day? Shabo so can sell to susu from January to December. I bet Shabo today be December. What happened to the susu? You chop them already? Yeah. Say. What the house is he can't pay the day? Alright, so a quick shout to Mr. Omin as well. Mr. Chumesi, that the apomo to say. KNL Fashion. I said if when you need back up Salum the Gambia. Better man coin what you must say. Mama Hannah. What God's time is the best fashion SDA Junction. Bra Michael SDA Junction. Exclusive beauty salon SDA Junction. Good morning. Patty's Golden Scissors. I said that beauty salon. Genesi Fashion. Jaji Akameni Junction. Charity Fashion Akameni Junction. Jam Transports Akameni Junction. Good morning. And come on, Mugina. Alpha so Fides Clothing and pay good morning. Awakutumo Riasi. And a quality fashion. And show our old education. Young call runabout Dido Fashion. In Shaka Sian Koma at Chemodan Government Hospital. Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Ananajwa. More at Chemodan Government Hospital. Young call Ghana Commercial Bank. Sami money at the United Church. Edna, my own Edna. Ghana Commercial Bank. Good morning. Obibiara with you, good morning. Me patrol, me born yumpa. Right, so I'll bring you a daily dose of motivations in the Jiffy. Go the way, 45 after 10. My name is Kobina Kosti, and of course, I want to rhyme. If I'm Kobina Kosti, I know baby ya Kosti, and Boki, Medi di panty my testy. Okay, Medi this will me is a comedy me. But you see, this morning I woke up to some message on my phone, and it was from GCB. At the point you get that message already. Yeah. Oh, now there. That's today they were here. Me sorry, I saw one new message, so I picked my phone. I realized it was from Ghana Commercial Bank. I was like, hey. I opened the message, and this is the message. Hi, they wrote my name. Your account number XXXX has been debited. Damn you, guy, Edna, I beg, tell your people, me, I don't like that messages again. You debit my account, I debit time, and what kind of message is that? Me, I don't like it. Edna, please tell your manager, I don't like them. Okay, so I'll be back with our daily dose of motivations. Good morning once again.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. How the blessed
of life, you know. Beat on fire. Sky beat. Me see my soul, I'm money, a team in new doors. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Me see my soul, I'm money, a team in new doors. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Well, okusie, onye fufu anku obedi. Kansu wadrona hankoni bom. Mitiwe, minya bulotira yameko. Kansu krata samasi mi kwai. Meko miusu diye yankoni sapai. Obra chidie mefuna ya temesai. Mafon, na yin kasete samane. Masa waya mambo, wane baka mame. Abuwa onidi anu kamende brane hon. Ni mama be mumu na mebe kwele hon. Sani amitie biya meni jeme hon. Owa chidie so makufo. Misi mwancho amani eti
the mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. How
It's
the
all about
blessed
realities of life, you know. Beat on fire. Sky beat.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. How the blessed
Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Me see what so amani, me noodles. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Well, okusie, onye fufu anku obedi. Nansu wadrona hankoni bom. Mitiwe, minya bulotira kameko. Nansu krata samasi mi kwai. Meko miusu diye yankoni sapai. Obra chidie mefuna ya temesai. Mafon, na yin kasete samane. Masa waya mambo, wane baka mame. Abuwa onidi anu kamende brane hon. Ni mama be mumu na mebe kwele hon. Sani amitie biya meni jeme hon. Owa chidie so makufo. Misi macho amani, eti me noodles. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Me see what so amani, eti me noodles. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no. Well, life is special and self-realization. Have belief in thyself and say you can do for reality. Keep on meditating, never give up in life. God is in it and never be changed. Wise up and no send no pen, no gain. Your prayer and hard work will not be in vain. We learn from one mistake, you not do it again. Carry belation and never to be free. And what about Mumu and Kasa would you I did the future, was so well. Me see much so amani, eti me noodles. Me call, me buy me more, me buy me no.
How the blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show.
It's all about realities of life, you know. Beat on fire. Sky beat. Me see much so amani, eti me noodles.
Right, so 93.3 of Fabebusia. This is a song from a Chemodan legend, Kako Bonde. Kako Bonde. We see much. In fact, Kako Bonde will see much upon. I think 7 Kako Asia. I think once. Yeah, once. Oh, a Komavu program, Nasi. I think that was in February or something. So we met at Always Pub. That's my first time I met him, though. And I love this song. I know Kako Bonde, but my first time meeting him was that day. And I love this song. I mean, Obi can't change the covenant course. I love this song. I mean, I've been playing this song every day. I love the song though. Baby, everyone say, Missy way, I watch him Bianca Meko, Nanso Krata, Summer Sibi Coin, Okusie, Onyafu, Uncle Vedie, Nanso. What wrong? Right, so today happens to be okay. So let me get serious and reach this person of mine. So there's this guy. We met, I think 2010. Yes, we met as friends. No, we met as classmates, and we became friends. And after friends, you know, any year. To brothers. So from classmates to friends to brothers. And then you see, I've been saying this any day, anytime I get the opportunity. And I'll keep saying this. So this is the guy that made me love Muslims. Ifan Abdul Jibril Razak. And today happens to be his lovely wedded wife's birthday. And that automatically makes her my wife as well, yeah? Because we are now brothers. So today happens to be her birthday. And yes, that's it. Mrs. Abdul Jibril. Mrs. Abdul Jibril, happy birthday to you, sweetheart. Nyakopon onyo kese. Oma wakoma swadi embremu. Nya ope wasasusu biano. Enya homa. May Allah continue to bless you, Ajia. So thank you so much for putting that big smile on my brother's face, because my serious and yes, I can make answer. So after my seriousness, I will tell you one or two things me and like we share back in the days. No one had no idea. It just, it be me and Ampe where we know. Not even Che, not even Anderson. It be me and Ampe we know. But I'm serious. So let me just put the jokes aside and wish you happy birthday, Mrs. Abdul Jibril. You happens to be the wife of my best friend, Abdul Jibril Razak. Today is your birthday. So on behalf of my team, my friends, myself, your husband, Che, and Anderson, and Mouse, Timo, and Alaji, we all say happy birthday. And for Komao, Mrs. Abdul Jibril. Or a police in Iba. One in the picture, one in the home. Or ye at the go or police at the who's in fact anything. So she's a policewoman. And the entire Ghana police service also says happy birthday to you, Mrs. Abdul Jibril. Right, so let's get straight into our daily dose of motivations. I'm done with the seriousness. No, I'm not yet done. Because my motivational message. Oh, hear me, pan. It's after the motivational message, you know, I'm too serious. Not something that you have. The moment I to park here and tell the studio, I know, no. If I don't think the seriousness of the show will turn into concerts. Because that guy, in the moment you see him now, he's cool. But folks, do you know Atopahin is now a blogger? So the first time in history, me who Prempeh College Nibia or a blogger. Atopahin is the first person. Right, so our daily dose of motivations this morning. My patron says stop dealing with people who can't be there for you when they have the means and access. Stop dealing with people who can't be there for you when they have the means and access. And then when you footwork as your pan. Mrs. Subiam Namau, you say stop dealing with people who can't be there for you when they have the means and access, and the underlying word there is the means and access. You see, you want to for bebre wo hono ma I'm not trying to share as Adam for like friends. Or one more pound betting the aboa. But so bad no I problem. Or one more pound or betting the mama will near Jane. But don't wow. Safono, let's stop dealing with them. Stop dealing with such people. Obia or war akwenya. Obia or war to me. Obia in his own capacity or authority. Obetimi aboa but on peso beboa no. If just stop dealing with such people. See, but I can't do crabbing job. What him say? Knowing someone and the person knowing you are two different things. A big secret to Panama catch on. Someone will be no a two different things, and you're the same, and you're the crowder. It is never the same. And let me tell you this: what him say, a lot of people will die if just 100 cities is required to save their lives. And Kofo Bebre say you pay 100 cities and they save you more. But these same people, they have friends or be find the phone call the WhatsApp over 300 contacts or find the phone call the phone swap. Just say Kofo Bebre I save you number. But say what was sani part 300 no. And mo be intimi mboa. My example be obetimi a post bi wo status like something silly. I beg pardon my French. Something silly. Obetimi a post wo start. And you will have people smiling. You have people laughing. I beg send it to me. I beg send give me. You have numerous people asking for that silly thing. But I will start. I need help. And I tell you what. But obie no be busa say why ben 10 year pan one trust say you need money. You wrote you needed help. But I tell you what, obie no be catch and obe busa say one emu den na open. Among your 300 contacts, none will even bother to ask you this. So sometimes sit and ask yourself, do you really have friends? Do you really have people who will be there for you? Do you really have people who would be able, to save your life? If 100 cities, just 100 cities is required to save your life. But if you find yourself among those circles or among such people, consider yourself lonely. Listen, if you happen to find yourself in this situation I'm talking about, say, open just 100 cities I had here. Na say, wama e fra one na fofo, wama e twa onwe hia, wama ntimi amwa me pacho tie ne ye me kan say, unim obi na obi su nimu two different things. And if the person have the access, listen, ya will be a you can ask and the person can't help because he or she doesn't have the access. I know. But I mean my point is based on the means and access. The underlying word here is the means and access. When you pass this person have the means, this person have the access, this person can connect you. This person can give you that 100 cities you want. But my story. Oh, Indra Krano, me reading you to be no fast and in you to next one year be you to hospital. And Ube will say on person the mount. When I make and you will be a officer, he's a friend. Unto me more. This is not what I'm talking about. Obi o ya down for, but unto me more. And you know na make one sem. But make obi a obe to me aboa. Or you are down for. Unim so obe to me aboa pa. But on my story, stop dealing with such people. Delete their contacts. Today. File phone. Just go through your phone and look at those that can help you. So here most of us, we have a lot of people contacts saved on our phones. I want children, but you can't even go to them because they will give you stories. Meaning say obisika ni obisika, I know. But nipa nyane nipa na hia moa. So if you happen to find yourself among such people, I beg to hofo. To ohofo. To ohofo. To ohofo. I can't 3 times. Because sometimes, pressure of phone so pan and there's no one to call. But you have friends. The most annoying part is that, I mean, you claim to know all the big men and all the big women in town. But when you are in need of help, none of these big men or none of these big women, I mean, will help you. So what's the essence of following them? What's the essence of having their contact? What's the essence of calling them friends or big women or big men? Me pacho. Menkasa kobo bi attack jini sika. Say, mami sika onya mami ntima de little number. There be. Enya na meka. Enti na me say the underlying word is means and access. Means and access. Obiya obetumi aboa wana hoodin mu. But lie in Kevin Boy's voice. O malekra, o fukra. Too hufo. Right, so 93.3 FM, young call breaking, Brian Bar. Good music. What else? What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, congrats is here.
Mukita SSC, WASI, HND, any matured students na yadia sendenamo.
Akim State University College. Ebie na apno ato. Opese, we are topper within 2 years. And now say mature student 25 years and above. Akwanya no ababeda ho.
Akim State University College aya programs be at say business programs. Ye will BSc accounting, BSc marketing, afa BSc banking and finance, sanso and a BSc human resource management, and engineering programs and so BSc electrical and also electronic engineering, BSc computer science.
And admission is in progress. Ubit me a pick of forms.
NT Shaniso as a Akim State University College and KNUST and a Kawamotuma Abano, a tuba betua this year at Akim State College at Sanya Wako KNUST Pepe.
So we are yet Kwanya, Yawa Akimasini or Dark Quante Ponisu, and I saw my friend 0207 163787, and I say 0242 256070. Akim State University College.
Discipline, excellence, and development.
So Famuko na yarube de muntum kura. Yesu bebrebe ya besi mwe ana.
Bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mesha. Ebubu yare go for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mesha me kira Ava one herbal mesha so de malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobobi Omodosu nyana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumien. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato anwafo store, Kenop Pharmacy, Ochiniba Drugstore, Akim Swedoso, Bosome Pharmacy, and Achime Wisasu KB Drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules, Nene Mesha, Peking Crime, FDA, Aji Ejedian Kratoyatu.
Ohimamian Kambojima Ompemna, some Pempao.
Minya Kawakumato Yem, Amaje Herbal Clinic, Essa and Yadway na. One more Essa and Yadwa be to say, Bema, Wayamre, a Wompem, Bema, went to Menwo. What am I a film so? Amaje Essa and Yadwa be to say, as a keka, what bar went to me and one so? Amaje Beshe, now what's an attack at the amount.
Say Crampon and Murphy Jarry, Banasumuki Comedy says Zongolachi and Achimu.
There be Amaje Essa and Hunemuni Yarabia, Sempo, Webu Ekuko, and Nasa won't nip again. I am mre udani weni edi kire amaje herbal clinic a wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom edi ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom ama anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di nhwani mu fra won ewo telephone number edi di soyi eso 0244 877 840 anasa 0205 045 655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. The Apostolic Church Ghana Chim Abo
Adwuma na ya short work say enti grass ya mo nhyehyɛ ɛna mo ahyehyɛ ne wo nwansa no munya madwuma ne to hɔ esan sɛ munim ye
na we de hwamu a
wo be bisa bi ɛnya nkrɔfo yɛ ɔmo wɔ akyire ha yi a ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ aluminium works ɛna mkɔfo ɔmo a ɔmo aba bɛ sɛ madwuma ne sɛ ama me
aluminium works ba de a keto boss na me kyerɛw God's way aluminium works
na ɔmo nso ɔmo yɛ hwan mo ɛyɛ asɔre ana
dabio wadwuma no hwan no pasa no we mo no betumi ayɛ ne ye ɛde ama wo enti sɛ wasi wudan awie na wo pe obi amara be check glasses e wo hona we mu ana ohia mu na say wo pe Italian sliding windows and in the doors hinge doors projected windows swing doors pulpits collection bowls and the kike gan nyina
hey and we mu no mu betimi ay madwuma no ko fa mo brebe no mo meya madwuma na mpo omo wa he
God's way aluminium works e wo achem aboabo heya omo ne aboabo musie no na di enhwene mu enkran kwantin pon iso ya anase obetumi afra omo e wo 0547 148 126 and I said 0276 086538. God's way aluminium works. Quality service, our passion.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
refuse to grow any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yanano, a way a home buying every home. And now Pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya woman Timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Mido asa na de fia ehwampa
Eya ban 20 na ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no
eno so ye supira na
Eya JA Binding and Co Limited and wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no enyoma ne se bebre
niema bi te se dan na wo ho
Panzo ne na nsen kwada enyoma eni ate se wan eya parazo no na me de sie
Mido me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila wohu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Binding wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudin ni body sign
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited
me dru ho sesi
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kun, ane wayi me yensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma o. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada anofo, ene akwada a woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa. Se o time heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dodo na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA ahwe edwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se eye.
My praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Wadum.
Odamaye, Adru subiem.
Na eden adru su yi.
Enu anu abisano. Eye dwumaku a omopoa emanipa enya ne nsa no nnwuma. Omo de sankyerɛkyerɛ wei eba ewa akemoda ade abre obi a sɛ wo oba, sɛ wo bɛma, sɛ wo akwada, sɛ wo panyini. Ubetimi asua bi.
Na ne na dwumako bɛn na de sankyerɛkyerɛ ye ebre ye kwai.
Eye Wulidak Technologies Ghana. Enti omo de namienu ade asiwo. Eye December 2nd to December 10th. Eye Friday and Saturday. Eno omo de asiwa, omo de sankyerɛkyerɛ wei ade ebre ye.
Na de no mba be kyerɛkyerɛ poti.
Sa obi pese wosia plaster board ceiling design anase POP anase electric fencing installation and a car and motor tracking system and as a CCTV camera installation, satellite installation and a biofeed digester. Ni nano ye betchano sadano
no
Dabi na ye we ye part 1 tie part 2 no ye betchano sani see after washing powder, floor cleaner, shampoo, shower gel and wayen sani ye see ayen emrenso ye betchano and organic liquid fertilizer, organic powder fertilizer, organic weedicide. Ebusua for some person pick forms nibia a 20 Ghana city farms no ebi wo Ahenkan FM and a total filling station any Bosome FM program we ebekwa so ewo King of Great Chapel Akemwa Sene yane Akem State University College and a Edin Shanimu sa opia sembisabia and a sika obetua na wafre ahoma we so 0244 95 99 49 and 0244 63 50 07. Ubetimi Ashiayan our Facebook aya Adu TVGH. Amafo way aya nsano nyuma. Yachire way in area no. Yabema certificate ya odeba kwakwa ya adwuma. And a pen drive wa programs ni na egugu so.
God have sailed through.
Ahenkan na winners a make a difference, Papa.
Now they are fair one.
There be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemum se there one more to munchine kra. Oba ojo form 3 straight. Form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no. Eye compulsory.
So person ultra was June and none of that. The right place. Eye winners senior high school.
WAEC amomo exam center number. Enu nti omo transfer hwe ne wo suku mu hɔ a teacherfo akuku damankasa ɛna ɛkyerɛ wade enu nti ubetwa no one time courses a wɔyɛ no ebi ɛne general arts, pure science, business, home economics ɛna afei agric science.
Winners senior high school egu admission so sesi a ma honya ha ne kopa admission ɛma oban.
Basic afane nso ɔwɔ Winners Divine Academy a wɔgye nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 ɔwɔ boarding ɛde ma nkwala mu nyinaa ubehunu Winners School Complex ɛwɔ Nkoko Tidom Restaurant ne opposite Paso Nakosi School mu hɔ frepani kwankyerɛ for the school no ano ɛwɔ 0244 571927 ɛna afei 0208 193788. Winners School Complex, raising the standard of excellence.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Charlie Radio so it tasty. If you me take up na costi. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Easy.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Pablo Costi.
Yay! Let's never tell you that she will see Bobby. Sena, I share a money pass at the me. What an answer, Abrabona Bassisa, Coco Hemastati, or Bobisha Chanti. If you can just what was seen a catcher Susa. Can't you do it because you knew Odoma Comana. You want to change, Mother Africana, I think you will mess up. See the Becca, yes, a penny, giddy. I'm going to move at the penny dollar. Who's who pay me? I know, baby, Mr. Bulu. They know, never say, oh, no, Mr. Kabuko, the kingdom of London is condom to syndrome. The Yamasu coming, what I share with Sammy, or my Tibari, you will wrap a book, you have got the chair with Sassuo as well. What something I would say, if you may do what you drop your coaching, tell me pretty, why you want to pity, can I just a pity, me and I hate you, wouldn't back a water, you don't know when you forget to have a shot, or when you will be here, or when you Mr. Otia. Deba, what people so Jimmy, baby, I'm not tight me, or I'm not feeding me, won't you me, Deba. Magic, fine guy, no take connection, boots, and I'm listening to me. I paid your yes, Yamia, or Sanana, what to say, would you be sad? What is a camera for from a tantan? Yamasuka said, because say Yawa, Masama attendant, and Yamaha attendant, said okay, and Damania can make you champagne. I will be back on a phone to them, skipping. I frequent them a bread, minute, crown and meditate. Me from a
power, me kwaji, sikadro. Ana me kwati haman twa me bejo. Debi, and no jet me so. Me say ubeti ya, me ya any ya me so. Ene nana, me ya akojo, ene doma. Me ko bubu in ya opayim. Me say baby abebe to bi aye for yem. Opala chichi say opina na aboso. Na koti ni manuasi. Na koti ni manuasi. I'll be okay. Barbara Koji, I'll be okay. Portia Natasha, I'll be okay. Morris, I'll be okay. Saikaya Jamwa, Abba. Okay, about the Jenny Popatiasia. Shamu to a CSWA, the Panifos, the Witcher, Tinia. I was just that fine. Chima, if you have your own secret. Look like what you want to the Popia. Saikaya Jamwa. Saikaya Jamwa. I'm running close slow to that. Man, time is for him. Saikaya Jamwa. I hear about the Jenny Popatiasia. Saikaya Jamwa. I hear about the Jenny Popatiasia. Shamu to a CSWA, the Panifos, the Witcher, Tinia. I was just that fine. Chima, if you have your own secret. Look like what you want to the Popia. Saikaya Jamwa. Saikaya Jamwa. I'm running close slow to that. Man, time is for him. Saikaya Jamwa. I hear about the Jenny Popatiasia. Look like what you want to the Popia. I'm a fan of power sick up the brain. So with him, Jessica, another rich, me papa. It was Cassell Bruno, watch. Your fear for pepper, and your blocks in your bricks. Or be a riot fear or sky more things. Holidays, we call on the US and as a Swiss. Takum, or be a Jaguar any best. Was Kenny by my from. I pay, and your master. Your fear, your cast, in your man in Ashi, and then your child can't chinago or mo. Nana, Pia, Major Mie. Saikaya Jamwa, or hear about the Jenny Popatiasia. Shamu to a CSWA, the Panifos, the Witcher, Tinia. I was just that fine. Chima, if you have your own secret. Look like what you want to the Popia. Saikaya Jamwa. Saikaya Jamwa. I'm running close slow to that. Man, time is for him. Saikaya Jamwa. I hear about the Jenny Popatiasia. Look like what you want to the Popia. There's a man in people. Me brains are made. You say me ben yasi. No see Kenny Papa. No brandy me yes yeah. Me my offer people banning out. I swear. Between from a two put in a back. Yako. Sabotage of running media. Sound Brian can't. And yet my spicy. What I do, they like go banner me me fossil, me hala, and I
can tell you for a fact to say 80% Ghanaian youths never signed in for this. And what am I talking about? Charlie, this adulthood life. We never signed in for this. A brand new course low, so method is for him. Enye easy, Charlie. Enye easy. So me say recently, Yana me who's there. You see, back in the days when we were in school, sometimes you won't call your big sister and she'll be like, oh, Miniska, what am I saying, Miniska? Not your same dreamer. So now that it is our 10, you will say, I'm partnering your dream, what no boy. The cost of living all day flow. Not at all. Cost of living all day flow at all. Anyways, you better Ana. I mean, oh my days, 31 after 11, 93.3 of FM coming cost in case you just tuned in. What do you say? Christmas be Ahenkan FM. Yeah, do you? Oh yeah, well. Wouldn't mind be a mekajo. For the first time I would say that mekajo say every year, every Christmas, every 26 biano Ahenkan FM. Before you make sure say your man call force re. You see you at Daroma, or the Ahenkan Kwame Yabua, or Mobia Sre, or Bia Nigeria. But Yako Poyadoma 21st December. 21st December, I got 20 days, and I first. I got 20 days. Report the Ahenkan Christmas football competition. Ahenkan football competition. Because we have Saka Park. Park in the dinner, Saka. Okay, it's because we have Saka Park. Report interested. Teams be able to take part. Mom kind of from here. Number pick your forms. Oh, okay. Sorry. Forms in the moment deadline 21st December. Forms in the deadline 24th. Into 20 days. 21st December. Then competition because of 24th. 24th and competition. Because but deadline for registration 21st. And we a coach be nasa with you with Timono pick part of Ahenkan FM Christmas football competition. No about Ahenkan FM pick form Stanley. Found kwala nebra. Now pick forms nadia. Now for 26 December, Nyakoponya Adwuma 26, and then Ahenkan FM ya taye at the Apano. And the 26 December, me pacho Ahenkan FM Nyakopon Adwuma ye betche Sabio Enyankafo and now for Impenifu Sabi Womodi dem Kakrani ade ebe to bia ade enti hye no so maye say ebe happen wa boabo de backgrounds war the backgrounds Nyankopon Adwuma ebe sa program we ebe che nyom bebre ye che ntoma ye che aduane ye che ntade ye che pioto ye che singlet in fact ye ni ade nyina ye be che bi enti me pa cho hye no so say no so be happen 26 our babu the backgrounds were paper choppers our sponsor program we and us up further enquiries than the market can show you and offer 0244 290093 0244 290093 or 0554 171393 0554 171393 now for any the phone din command sir na yam pra BBH come up and Ghost we aluminium works watch my boabo me patcho ya ni esie no and I edin hwede mu bra na everything aluminium na ye sort to art me patcho yen ko a and ye offering board ma wa ampa utimi se sara no offering obenya no wa the one kasa check offering obenya sa de be srew Ghost we aluminium works and now so be a open pop it open swing doors Mr. Messi, BBR aluminium works on pop quality there. And one Ghost we aluminium works. Ya watch him aboabo. Any issue no cemetery no. And it is Shenimu Frey 0547 148126 na 0247 6085 sorry 86538 027 608 6538 Ghost we aluminium works quality service our passion. Tibo na Yambo Nyame Adwuma 2nd December Ochina hey sisi ya Ochina your first okay eti Ochina Nyankopon Adwuma Moonlight Pub me pacho ye de live band party eba and then you need chat soldiers band no na just say be hwehwe gum na dia it's exactly 7 p.m. Ochina there I mean it's a holiday. You need to go and listen to live band music, great live band music from Soldier for Metino and also Tron Kwamo there then so it's Mr. Moonlight Pub Nyankopon Adwuma 7 p.m. Now Bibia Kosu come upon the man you home free on a kojiwani na wabre edwuma den do kona kojiwani me patcho Light Formal Limited Omo the Family Bell syrup ade aba na Femi Bell syrup no me pacho ma edru. In fact, opesa your best ma opesa odini we CPC tadia. No one Femi Bell syrup ma kwa endru editi se obi a your ba sebio you are suffering from infertility, menstrual disorders, and maybe so offer emergency contraceptives be na ama problems wakoye family planning when your problem o mess sentiment buy dia me pacho kope Femi Bell syrup ebe boa ye papa draw eboa ema sebio omunya problem e wo ma himfie ho no no ebe boa na aklenhye wo na ho so atkama na bibia ye kama pa da na go because o me no tna ye unye we da na tafribom school nya hey and I boy say hey o ka say ma say nya ma say obi asa na meka get say na onye tafribom school onye me pacho ade ba ko amenye bi da no no mesra wo o be ya but ye David ana sawo say ehu ba ya collaborate almost so tire unya throat cancer it is your truth no medically no be an can try me say be I mean it's true. But see, it kind of weird, visa, no. But hey, people they feel on the air. Charlie, they give people some different energy. But then you know, make one some mutual drew. It's Femi Bell syrup. Pepito, the wapa. Oh, your bar. No, people to see him Fiona the idea. Of face, no. One sounds so at the NBF gingival gel. Eddie about nay and ye. Obi a kaka e won so sabi utwusi anamoja fro no basa be pacho enum kan so de enye halitosis enye enum kan de o kaza na jese obi a pebi de afa ne ade a we the girl bi a oni abranti e bi na say you make kiss your bride umi akasa na ga na kata no hwe ana guzuka maybe I'm sorry akwa na boy ma wonu mu bon there be enye fine boy pa me patcho kope with her. You see, adia ba me I appreciate a lot. Adnan for Sabio, what thing can down for the man? But pet nyansa kwan so waka channel. Say yo, Charlie I said my thing can kakrebi onu mo. Oni bibi, minya yanka giedrowe. NBF gingival gel. Bia ye ni, ma enkane wo onu mu no epepa. Now feel kaka no choosing a mojano. Nina be sort it out. We patch up. Nebu nya den. O drugstore be na pharmacy be watch mo dan hanu abenye biato. I'll bet my friend 0542 929628 na 0244661941. Na mo prapre choni telephone common ade anum kan dia beg. Oba fine girl, ultimate is a fine girl pa. Na we she an sweetheart. Me patch odin say I say me va join within ya sewa watch na he meshia ya sewa pa ultimu se pompa ne free chire ba no echen akoto mo re ase ball and sent no one time unnatural mineral water pacho bubonsio na just say you see papa you see unya problem bia you see nya ndru ahodo anso ahyem ma you see any occasions bia you see packaging nko alone you need you see back in the days who obi anokuta bottle water or the flex this ania dia me pacho flex na mun twaso but the say unnatural mineral water bottle no flex upon flex mo flex on the flex down zampa one musio at the hospital edru unnatural mineral water no at the hospital edru ekuta man because I was my kind story pan so back in the days I bought bottle water from down here main camp brand no but I bought the big size so I was going to school Charlie Shabu mekuta ade no from down to Accra. I went to school like 4 hours or 3 hours on campus before going back to my hostel. I couldn't still finish the water. Grab it, say, yeah, go your John. I go your John. Grab it, and I'm in the coin. That's some grading. The patrol unnatural mineral water, Pepito. Every boy, you pa. And you draw who do I share with my friend 0249680213 na 0500231091 unnatural mineral water help be to akwachimoda commercial bank opposite wa and I obenye bi aso me pacho amaje wasi yare na fabra na ontu ase fama yare bia titu bia no amaje betimi aboa na afei also ho atho kama pa amaje so ultramodern scan machine me pa cho Red Cross Johnson hoya na behu amaje free 0244877840 0205045665 your boy ensamla na sa waya resefie enti yare bia bia no say all saw syphilis so typhoid or infertility menstrual problem the two ase the man now so the nije akofie ni ade in boost ochina nije wo krompa and the sawu jaw na yare found there I'm sorry but pesa yare ba found there me pacho you see prevention is better than cure yeah it's the bon ho ban preko na yare no anche wan to form me pacho eno an in boost elba mixture police in here drug and betimi aboa dey be me catch us number 1 immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and also malfunctions that affect the body. And one in boost elba mixture me sell compare and pay a pharmacy bia benya bia to 0246 208 na 0540710113 na any telephone din common and they are not proper chile na chile say ohunzu ntv talk come pa 93.3 FM. So today is exactly 5 years, I think, no 4 years rather. 4 years akwaku Ebenezer Nyankopon ya adom na oba fefe biji tum say ewi ase de ohun fe kra o say I mean unyodo everyone deserve love, right? To ohun fo so timi nyodo intino it exactly 4 years today oba fefe biti ase ma in fact first time in history a fine girl our ugly face with Ernestina Nyankopon ensure pa sa what ase so the kwaku Ebenezer bet na ase na mawoba na jazama waranya dia miracle here look at us. So I was the best man 4 years ago. Miracle 1st December see look at us. Oh, I mean, I be fan boy pass kwaku Ebenezer go comment and no tan say kwaku ne nim say shoe. Kwaku di matama me mante. Ya be kabia mante. Da be kabia me mante. Oh my days, 93.3 FM. So congratulations to my man Kwaku Ebenezer. It's been 4 years already. Nyankopon Kwaku Frimpong Ebenezer and Mrs. Frimpong Ernestina Moba. Akwana kami huni dinka da. Kwaku now Kwaku Ebenezer. Oba pa fro Kwaku Frimpong Ebenezer. Nobody did is estupina we say estutila we say me who campo masa. Na dem crane. I mean there me no problem but my only problem is na yakko school yeah yesi nkwala nyina form papambra na akwala ne ba no fe osenere osenere akwala no fe pa obi afa ne papambra na ye who fine little girl be I forgetting this kid name. Is it Estupina Estila? It is something SSS but it is not Esther. Something SSSSS. Na o papa baya Kwaku Ebenezer Jesus Christ. Kwaku pa de. Na me na sina ya minu aba nka ma oni Kwaku jai. Ba Nyankopon so de on hwe. Nyankopon ni hu Sabo gidi. Onyame hu. Onim Kwaku wife. I'll show you her picture. Fine woman. Or government hospital. Fine woman. No fair. That's how she Kwaku combination na. Omo ba bia no be se Kwaku we Yesu di mu. Me nada o. Omo ba bia no be se Kwaku. Kwaku. Ewi ase de mame tumofo. Mo amunya ware no. Me pa cho ya bema na se wo kwa ware a. Hwe wo size o. Hwe wo size. So who sabi obi ahun okay mama can straight so who nyafa per size so who be man so who afa per oba wo be ma wo efese no tie ne yemi tufo fa oba wo be ma wo efese no e man ne de ndɛ normal because enya sanka Ernestina nko fa Kwaku ka e bi nsida but sam odi matem odi matam amante da me kan obi ate
J baby.
This one is for my true lovers in the ghettos. And I say, order of a uno mundia, go tinko. Get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low, get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low. My baby girl says she's solely living a life for me. She can do without me. I'm her source of energy. She says I'm the only one. Right in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she wouldn't trade me for any man. Sometimes her love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she they do them make me ponder. Into the background and shower day. I seem to act like again and again. And yeah, I'm not ding. Extra my drink. Ebony tutuo ya chana bufuo ya kini situo sedi obesuro na kuma prim o dini trim o hi modonti osidi otumano TV. We like Siamese twins, dangerously inseparable. Now call it Gary and beans, deliciously palatable. My heavenly made bride, bride. We were like Bonnie and Clyde, Clyde, yeah. Get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low, get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low. I wonder where she got this kind of loving from. I wonder why she perfect and never do no wrong. Oh, my empress, you my sunshine, sunshine. Get a girl like you, my lifeline. When I got nothing, she wants to love for me, work for me, pray for me, very something. Never work with me. Once they tell you one day rocking, she and it will never be. University was the kind of love that I want for diversity. She stopped and fucked.
What's up here? Oba me come so what's up here? Wa me friend ya tia me dia mia na tuni nyina ya disia dintia oni atia ni mema pia don't tell me loose can be bra na blow fuse o comfort team can tia fuse oh look a man nyina see me cute ya papa me ahoma chino mbako ya tata me atia me cool feelings I want you me am obi e bia tia me sa ya to me stop anya sa me ni nyina akọ atia ya madam ko de bi oba me wa ya me tuni ko ana oba ya akọ bia chiri wi wa jaka akoka wa twena ma koti aya ya atia pro ya de me bna ama me kono wa nu atu atina ame me ba fia kamananka uche fabo na wa udum sema bia yeah Tribani oba uche man komi mo sana me pu ya na sa ya me dai so me sana oba na ya sa Tribani oba uche man komi mo sana me pu ya na sa ya me dai so me sana oba na ya sa Tribani oba uche man komi mo sana me pu ya na sa ya me dai so me sana oba na ya sa
Me cojo me husa puede Sophie and a breath here na watch me notice a 2+2 and yet the bear 4 or from me I swear no ball French need back a Sophie Sherry Coco divorce by the do or bois or Nicoto about family yada live by your show no I take way no abobo and ya bro deal double G do and yeah draw and yeah me na me do I come more or less me yo Adam no I am Howard see my near summer yeah dear energy na OD and yeah dear come then so me moon na be nyawa tunde lazy dog team muke yako holidays yani Morris baby face me dia no achi ajo come she proud my boot trainer to suntia come proud o boy ni lazy dog ya me shout o comfort never on the train man ma chia yo tribani oba man ko ni sana me fu
Mingu ama kumalenda ene ana judie pine yebe yekese Mingu ama kumalenda ene ana judie pine yebe yekese Mingu ama kumalenda ene ana judie pine
nkwala toffee rap mo crash esikafuo boto mate for coins a doctor for panier esim for buyer is a one for prodo ayare for coco chrei me ame no me hu yehu achem kwana na ame no bremu asante fuo esoja for tuo a Christo for bible a catch for pen ekua for second mokola for kent ayi for bele achem for ampesie tie me tempie ewiakete pefe mo hwe me ye enye be ye adwuma wotie ne chiwade any day formula ne simple woti konetie me ko sasa bone ma okrunja wochina e ba ne sa rap ninja me na me boka me bomu nyina koko tuntum koko tiatia hia tintin ni tiatia na nanom ya bedwa Sydney me fata mo am kunkum ba ne nyina scatter skills ye de wo me wonim se mafusua wuti na ye woda ni pe na wuti mi fia ebi pe japade na ebi ba hwede spele uya ma chawade wabo bi wuti se mamone wo hip life subanye babone bebre life akoye se madina phone booth and na kama watching out of order yeah asumdwen come up na mekita hip life ninja wuti me ka jiga kotonkoliti ya no no ehyo so me boa bisa si jakese wani untimi nyi wani akoye sesene sebe nya tofe I swear nya by 2 minutes wa kama mouse show from catapult to catapult what then cry ya we say wa woni guru kwasene makohwe bebre hihye fubu apanchi bi ne so mo me mabo ninja me boa de ne sika koko DJ bi ne ho aba be jumaji payola
right so ya kwadesa ma me patch na kopon ya Adwuma 1st December. I say last year wonderful experience because so last year wonderful experience be echo so wonderful experience because so CAC there was new town on Jamaica hono oh yeah where sir ana urefi ana men Kyle urefi aba men Kyle okay tinako point ya Adwuma this year so sorry next year because so and I'm talking about Sami Kisi's my Thanksgiving experience concert. My Thanksgiving experience 2023 the no second edition I came out down there me pacho ebaso my Thanksgiving experience second edition ebaso nyakopon ya Adwuma 1st January 2023 e same place where CSE achim other new town me pacho there was Jamaica ben it is the Lord honor nyakopon ya Adwuma because so anywhere 5 p.m. and ebe sha say na afu we there no team that Jumedian so behold I will do a new thing. You free Isaiah chapter 43 verse 19 and the channel song say great ministers and everybody now for Yankopon and Yankita Hudie and Tibrame you from last year also in a call year no not last year na on concronia the TTC from near the non pepper this year so because of me patch minister Ahenkwan ebeba Ohima Esther ebeba minister Tracy Domina ebeba minister Nefi ebeba and our so in Shaba Prince ebeba na afuway guest artist no Jack Alolomi tomorrow by this time God will make a way for me, He will make a way papa no boss no this year sorry next year they don't 2023 next year 1st January and then our trip and then boss me and na boss me pepe and na Jumedian because it's 1st December until the 1st January 2023 and na boss me pepe and because Jack Alolomi and eba be patcho so person so Jumedian ya say and I be a one komo bia person woni Sami Kisi edia na wa friend 0205 045 567 and 0240 777315 02005 045 567 0240777315 me patcho bra na yanda Nyankopon ase bra na yankambom na Nyankopon ayama yan afuwei fiti bra ya share afiasia be see and that day ya di ko remember 2023 na yanda Nyankopon ase wa de fair Why yeah Eddie am I to be set out? Say utie be say make sure say the count calendar when you point out my first January 2023 and I ever call CAC my Thanksgiving experience by Samikisi. Right here, coffee and sir. Watch now air Friday, yeah. Watch us your holiday. Watch the chroma bedo. Remember, party baby will chroma from moonlight to Ras the Ras the first example. She can't pay the pool party. Ras. Watch that. Watch that cash out. Watch now me pachora. Kokua komia. And Sansa Saraku. Ras and Sansa Saraku do kebiano. The program no watch now no ye. I say tickets now is sold out. And to what do kebia me pacho to tin obi akefem. Ono ejuma. Kokua komia wa cash out. Watch now the program ne baso. Me pamocho montonche no. Awon kwaji musika. Me da say. Ya friend me Jenny me champion boating Cosmos from Kobina Costi. A Brantipa, the perfect gentleman. I'm coming